Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn on how to use letter spacing. Now, letter spacing is very useful when you are designing. So, let's get started. So, to start, you need to see what I have done here. All I have done is I have made an H1 tag with the ID test and I have written this is a test on it. Now, so if I live test it right now, this is what it is supposed to look like. It just looks quite plain and blank. Now, to activate our letter spacing, all you need to do is I'm just going to assign it with the same ID what I had put on my H1 tag, and then you need to type in LETTER spacing. Now, what this does is this will give you quite a few items, but what I would say you do, like I can put 20 pixels here and I can go back here. Now what this does, it actually separates my text, so I can make this 21 pt example. Now it separates like farther. So this is really useful when you're doing some special designs on a web page. So I want to make a spaced one, so I can keep it as 7. Now 7 is a good number as it doesn't separate it too far or it doesn't separate it too close. So I would recommend you use 7 pixels for your spacing in your letters. Otherwise, if you want any specific designs, you can always extend this and make this really large. Like if I make this 50 pixels, it goes like really far and stretches very far. And we can also try 1000. Now what will happen is it'll like remove almost all the text and make it look quite strange. So it's better to keep it in the hundreds limit. Thank you. That's it for today.